show you our LabX 5000. This instrument does have a touch screen. You have the start and the stop button on the right side, and you have the option to choose an internal printer. On the left side, we do have the main power cable with a switch. We do have a connector for a LAN and a USB port. Also, there's a possibility to connect helium to your instrument. On the right side, there's another USB port and a key to enable or disable your X-ray tube. Here you can see the analysis port. The glass cover on top is only to protect your instrument against dust. We don't need it during the measurements. When you put a sample in the port and press the start button, the sample tray will turn roundabout to this area. In this area are the sensitive parts like the detector and the tube. Only during the measurement, the sample will stay in this position, and right after the measurement has finished, the sample will come back to the start position and you can take it out of your instrument. This is to protect your instrument against spillage or leakage of the sample. When we have a closer look to the sensitive parts, so to the tube, it's important to know that you have the option to choose between two different kinds of tubes. It belongs to your kind of samples and your applications.